and get you some white friends.
Get you some motherfucking white friends.
You
Oh
ain't
my
gotta
God.
sleep with them, but you gonna need them motherfuckers. If you go to jail and call your nigga friends, these motherfuckers will interrogate you more than the goddamn police. They'll have your ass on the phone. Where the fuck was you at? What the fuck was you doing? Why the fuck you ain't called me? Not your white friends. Them motherfuckers will be there by the time you hang up the phone, and they'll be madder than you. Just what the fuck did he do?
True.
Murdered who? Look, I fucking known him for 2 weeks. He wouldn't fucking do something like that. I love white people. I don't give a fuck what you say. White people are friendly. You can call them motherfuckers up at 3 o'clock in the morning with the wrong number, and they won't even be mad at you. They just, hello? No, I'm sorry. No Shaquita here.
That's Marcel! Oh my God,
No,
Marcel, I hunt you!
We'll try it. If it doesn't work, call me back. We'll figure this thing out.
Oh, that's Marcel all day, every day, for real. He'll
people.
not question you.
Thanks to white people, we know anything about wild animals. You realize that niggas have never in the history of niggerdom discovered a wild animal. Not one, not a wild pit bull, nothing. Because we too cautious. Niggas don't discover shit. We don't get close enough to discover. Niggas take no chances. That what nigga, is that a Rottweiler or a bear? Nigga, go, no, go.
Oh my God.
White people, though, let me say this. Y'all need some nigga friends. Get you some nigga friends. Just don't ever call them your nigga friends. Don't ever. That'll fuck the relationship up.
Stop giving us a bad name. Come on.
You guys say it all the time. White people, you need your nigga friends so they can tell you when shit is not appropriate. First of all, white people, please stop putting them little blue leashes on your children. Please stop doing that. That is only
That's a real
entertainment for niggas.
collab.
That's all that is. We be excited then the motherfucker. Look at him, look at him. That's why white kids grow up and kill everybody in the goddamn school, because you done treated them like a German shepherd ever since they was 3. They be in the store like, oh, I want them.
Oh my God.